Recently, I tried mushroom sauce from one of the restaurants nearby and instantly fell in love with that. I was ordering it almost every week. I've made mushroom sauce in the past, but it was different. This is phenomenal. So I tried recreating it by myself and finally got the recipe that tastes so like that one. Here's the recipe for a delectable mushroom sauce. As you can see in the pictures, it's very versatile. You can use it with so many different things. I'll talk about it towards the end. We need garlic, a lot of them. Do use fresh ones, finely chopped. Heat 1 tablespoon of butter. Stir fry the diced onions. White onions are what's needed for it because it will stay a little crispy and give some texture and taste as well. Dice the onions big. If you don't like it, you can chop it finely as well. Once the onions are golden brown in color, take it off and keep it aside. Heat 1.5 tablespoons of butter and add the garlic. Don't let it brown in color. Now add the mushrooms. I've already washed and strained the mushrooms well. Can use any type of mushroom. I'm using the brown ones. The taste would change significantly according to the type of mushrooms used. I recommend starting with the brown one and then you can try different types and see what you like. In about 5 minutes it will look like this. Add quarter cup of chicken stock and mix well. Keep the heat in medium. If the heat isn't high enough, the mushroom will boil and steam on their own, releasing more moisture. That's why you can see the amount of liquid increasing in the pan. At this point, you can add 1 cup of chicken stock. And the heavy cream. Stir well. Add half teaspoon of white pepper. Don't add too much, it will overtake the flavor. This sauce is supposed to be having the flavor of mushrooms, garlic and thyme, not the thickened cream, not pepper or the cheese. After a couple of minutes, you can add the onions. This will give a great taste. Add the Parmesan cheese. I'm not adding salt because the chicken stock has enough salt and the cheese also has a bit of salt. You can taste this towards the end and add more salt if you want. Keep stirring for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now the sauce is starting to get thick. Add the thyme and mix well. Fresh thyme is better. If you don't have them, you can add dried ones as well. I want the green leaves to be seen, which will make the sauce look beautiful too. If you don't want it that way, you can add the leaves with stems and then take it off once the sauce is done. It has been about 10 to 12 minutes and this is the consistency that we are looking for. Immediately transfer it to a dish that is in the room temperature. You can make this early and refrigerate for a couple of days and use later as well. Just heat it before using. This will be amazing with chicken schnitzel or any grilled meat. I love it with grapes. You can use it as a filling and then add more on top as well. Adding fresh thyme will give it a good look and enhance the taste as well. You can use it for pasta as well. Tubular pasta will require thick sauce, so this is perfect. You can sprinkle thyme and more cheese because why not? Look at how beautiful that is. Isn't it appetizing? I'm sure you would love this, so do try and let me know how it turns out. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and share with your friends.